नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत। यह है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ BPCL Q3 रिजल्ट महारत्ना PSU प्रॉफिट जंप 69% YoY to 7,188 crore dividend declared. BPCL Q3 result. BPCL reported an 88.8% increase in consolidated net profit for Q3, reaching 7,188.4 crore, up from 3,805.94 crore last year. The company also declared a second interim dividend of 10 for the financial year 2025 to 26. Maharatna PSU Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL announced financial results for the October to December quarter on Friday, 23 January. The state-owned company consolidated net profit rose 88.87% to 7,188.4 crore from 3,805.94 crore in the same quarter of the previous financial year. BPCL revenue from operation during the quarter under review rose 7.13% YoY to 1,36,653.12 crore from 1,27,555.77 crore in the corresponding quarter of the last financial year. The consolidated net profit rose 16.1% on quarter QoQ, based from 6,191.49 crore in the previous quarter of financial year 2026. While the revenue from operation grew 12.3%. BPCL operating margin improved to 6.77 in the third quarter of financial year 2026 from 3.75 in the corresponding quarter of financial year 2025. On a QoQ base, the number of marginally increased from 6.21% in the September financial year 2026 quarter. BPCL dividend announcement. The state-owned company announced the second interim dividend for the financial year of the 2025 to 2026 of 10 per equity shares of the face value of 10 each, along with the financial quarter result. The board of directors at this meeting held on 23 January 2026 has declared the second interim dividend of 10% per equity shares of face value, 10 per share each of 100% for the financial year 2025 to 2026. It may kindly be noticed that above dividend would be paid only through the electronic mode on the before 21st February 2026 BPCL exchange filing rate.